Spreadsheet software remains one of the most abundant pieces of software used in the workplaces across the world. Learning to confidently operate this software will definitely add a higher value and the valuable asset to your employability portfolio. Around the world, millions of the job advertisements requiring Excel skills that are posted every day. The research shows that the digital skills lead to the higher income and the better employment opportunities. At the time when the digital skills jobs are growing much faster than the non-digital jobs, completing this particular course will definitely help you to position yourself ahead of others. So I would suggest you to keep listening to this particular promo so that you can understand what we are going to learn in this course. My name is Syed Muhammad Shamuel Shees and I'm a business professional, and I've been using this particular software for more than 20 years. I've been using to implement this software, particularly Excel and the Microsoft products within my business to enhance the business capabilities and multiple other opportunities within the system. Excel is a powerful program that has the extraordinary broad range of features and the capabilities. So in this course, you are going to learn the essentials of Microsoft Excel, and you are also going to build a strong foundation to develop more advanced skills in my later courses. Talking about fewer advantages that will come up or that you will definitely compare when you go to learn face-to-face and through online systems. So online systems or the online learning has a lot of the advantages. You can decide where and when you will study and do so at your own places and at your own pace. You are here to learn the skills you need to use the Excel software efficiently and productively in the business environments. And we are here to help you achieve your goals. So I'll be teaching you through the entire course, and whenever you will require my help, I'll be definitely available on Udemy platform. So you will also learn to expertly navigate the Excel user interface, perform the basic calculations with formulas and the functions, professionally format the spreadsheets and create visualizations of data through chart and the graphs. Whether you are self-taught and want to fill in the gaps for better efficiency and the productivity, or whether you have never used the Excel before, this course is particularly for you and definitely will set up a strong, solid foundation to become a confident user and develop more advanced skills in later courses that I'm going to produce. So don't need to worry about that if you have never ever taken any kind of the classes or any kind of the coaching regarding the Excel skills. This course is particularly for you, and this is definitely going to support you through the online support. One more thing, you need to remember that the data entry is bit simple, but once again, managing the data and extracting useful reports with that particular data is going to be difficult if you don't know these skills that are really useful. So with this course, you're going to learn about all those tools and techniques through which you can create tremendous reports that have been required by your colleagues or by your business owners or even by your bosses. So you can impress through the wide range of the reports that you are going to learn in this course. So this course is going to be a game changer for your professional growth. And you know, one more thing that is really available with this course is one-on-one tutor support. And this is one of the phenomenal opportunity that you can connect me anytime if you are having any kind of the support in understanding the particular formulas, the functions, formatting, or any particular thing. I'll respond to you within 2 to 3 working days. So let's have the review of the complete course that what we are going to learn. So I have a complete belief in this course that will definitely enhance your capabilities for using Microsoft Excel and its useful hacks. So what are you waiting for? Just come and join me in this course where you are going to have the phenomenal learning opportunity.